Hey Trevor, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. I see what you got going on here with this downspout. So I flipped the camera around here and I'll show you what I'm seeing on what possibly is going on. So we look at the algae and stuff that's coming from over here. That tells me that you probably don't have a very good water diverter, as the water is coming around the chimney and it's trying to come down the side of the siding. If you look up, you can actually see daylight up there, which is really bad because all that water is coming through that gap. So what we're going to want to do is install a water diverter between the siding and the end cap of the gutter there, and that'll help keep all the water that's coming off the roof go into the gutter and not slide this down the side of your siding, which actually is a pretty bad thing if you think about it, because oftentimes what happens is there's a lot that water over time goes behind the siding and causes wood rot. So that's a very important thing to get done. This downspout here to me doesn't seem too bad, except for this elbow here is broken in a couple of spots. And also it's installed backwards right here. This piece is supposed to go into here and it's upside down. For us to rebuild your downspout here, that should take care of that problem. Should take care of this problem here. And probably I would suggest to put a water diverter over here too. You can see daylight coming through. And then, what else am I seeing here? And I'm thinking that it would probably be, this downspout looks fine. I don't see any problem there. Otherwise, if you wanted to upgrade all of them. Hey, and after watching this video, there is a way that we can restore your deck and get your under boards restored, because this is about to rot away. When we're washing your house, the pressure wash includes us taking care of this ledge. It requires about 3 or 4 treatments of algicide and pressure washing. And then after we get all that cleaned, all the way back here, we might have some nice river of clean on your back patio here. We can't tell our cleaner not to clean stuff. So after watching this video, send me a text. Hey Eddie, we also would be interested in entertaining to wash this back patio here. Let me know how you feel about the underside of the deck and how you feel about cleaning the concrete over here. My services are all done in-house, no subcontractors, owner-operator. I'm on every job. Look forward to helping you with any of your work that you look to get done. Any questions, call or text my cell, 815-520-6020. If you got a minute, I'd like to encourage you to check into our roof maintenance services. You got a lot of algae growth on your shingles, and if that's left untreated, it can prematurely shorten the lifespan that your roof will perform well. Multi-Man Services, we've partnered with a roof maintenance company to preserve and extend the life of your shingles. Roof is the service that allows us to add an additional 5 years life with each treatment to your roof. Can you imagine your roof lasting an additional 5 to 10 years longer? Another suggestion I would have to help add life to your roof would be to take this downspout and turn the elbow towards this gutter here and get all of that water directed into this gutter. And all that water is consistently dripping and running onto the sheeting of this roof. It can cause damage over time. So we can add an additional downspout, change the direction of that elbow, which would help fix and preserve the life of the roof. Look forward to working with you. Get back to me after you watch this video and we'll create a game plan. Take care.